The following segment is sponsored by Harmon's.
'Tis the season for holiday parties and events, and if you're really looking to impress your guests, well, we have the recipe just for you. Daniela from Harmon's is here to tell us all about it. Daniela, this looks absolutely stunning. It's going to impress any guest. What are you making for us today?
Thank you so much for having us. Yes, so we have like a different take on our charcuterie or cheese board.
So you say the word cheese and yes. I am there. I am there, girlfriend. All right,
so we have a take on cheese balls. So Harmon's make delicious cheese balls, so you can buy from us and just portion them in small little balls and do individual portions. But today you're going to learn how to make it.
Okay, well, fun, and then right? I can tell my guests, well, yes, I did make this. I'm very fancy.
So here we have some cream cheese and some goat cheese.
Goat cheese is my favorite.
Yes, and we have different, this is just the original flavor, but you can get like cranberry and different infused flavor there. So I'm just mixing this, put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you can put different herbs and different flavors as well.
So far, easy.
Yeah. Then I'm going to use a fresh thyme to add some color there.
We can all use a little bit more thyme.
Yes.
See what I did there?
Yeah. I like it. I like it. Want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil.
Okay, easy enough.
Easy enough. And then here I have some nuts. I chose walnuts and then some dry cranberries. You can play around. See how many different flavors we have
they're
here?
All so beautiful, but this cranberry makes it look extra festive, I think. That little bit of red. So it tastes yummy and looks Christmassy. So there you go.
Very nice. We have cranberries and we also have pomegranate seeds. They are beautiful. And
that little bit of crunch with the creamy cheese. Oh, so yummy.
Look at how easy that is.
It's so easy, and then voila, and it looks beautiful. And you have a couple of different ways that you're serving it here. Talk to me about the different ways that you can plate it.
All right, so we have the different flavors, and then we have the small balls so people can take one and put it in their plate. So if you have a buffet, that's how you will serve it. Here is small little trays that you can serve individually. You can make those for every guest on your party.
Adorable, and it's so easy to sit there and chat. You have your own little plate. That is absolutely. I've never seen an individual charcuterie board.
Isn't that cute?
That's going to be, you know, a party trick that people are going to talk about. That I think that's adorable.
Yes, and then our beautiful devil egg tray. You know that already have the indentation there, so you can put there. You can put some deviled eggs there, and then the different flavors. A little chocolate or a little cookie. So
I love it. And honestly, this one is one of my favorites that we have here. Is this Christmas tree you've made of all the different flavors you have. Daniela, this really is going to be a recipe that your guests are going to be talking about. It could be a new holiday food tradition. Where can we go for more information?
So you can go to our harmonsgrocery.com, so our website, or any of our 20 stores. We have everything for you guys for this Christmas. Come and visit us.
Perfect. Well, Daniela, thank you so much for coming in. I think I'm going to try one of these guys.
Yes, please do.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.